It is code number DR1794. It is a question of quadratic equation. We use here it is the concept, the graph of quadratic expression. If I say here it is a is negative, the graph of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. The structure of the graph, that is, it will become a opening downward because of the negative value of a. I want to write the vertex here. According to this, I can say vertex will become minus b by 2a minus d by 4a with the usual notation of d, that is a discriminant. In this question, I also use the concept that in order to solve equation f of x is equal to g of x. If you are having any equation, in order to solve this equation graphically, I can say that if this is the graph of y is equal to f of x and this is the graph of y is equal to g of x, the point common to these two will give you the solution of this. I can say here regarding number of solutions, this is only one point of intersection, hence I can say it is only one solution. Coming to this question, now in the question it is 2 minus x into here it is x plus 1 is equal to p. This equation I have to solve, and moreover I have to find the values of p, for which you have here it is two distinct and positive roots. I draw the graph of the left side, y is equal to 2 minus x into x plus 1. I also draw the graph of y is equal to p, the right side. This is of course a horizontal line and this will become a quadratic. Let us open this and see which type of quadratic you are getting. Y is equal to, I can write here it is 2x, I am multiplying here it is plus 2 minus x square minus x. If I simplify this, it is minus x square plus x plus 2. Coefficient of x square here it is negative. This is a opening downward. Now I will write the vertex of this one. I can say here it is a is minus 1, b is 1 and c is 2. Vertex is minus b by 2 into a. Now I will write here it is minus d. D means I know it is b square minus 4ac. B is here 1, b square minus 4, a is minus 1 and c is 2 divided by 4 into this one. Now I simplify this, x coordinate will become equal to 1 by 2. Now regarding the y coordinate, this minus minus simplified and this is 4 into 2, 8, it is plus, therefore I am getting here it is 9 by 4. This is the vertex which is in the first quadrant. This helps us to draw the graph of this y is equal to minus x square plus x plus 2. If you want, you can take help of another point. I will see here it is where it is intersecting the x-axis, sorry, y-axis. If I put x is equal to 0, then I will get y is equal to 2. The point is 0, 2. Now making use of this, I can draw a rough graph of this one. It is something like this. Here it is 1 and here it is 2. I can say that 9 by 4, that is a number bigger than 2. I can say that the graph is something like this. Now this is the vertex here. I can say that if I draw the horizontal line which is touching the vertex, this line will be having the equation y is equal to 9 by 4. This is the point 2. Another line if I draw here, this is another horizontal line, this equation will have y is equal to 2. Now I have to come to this to draw the curve y is equal to p. P is unknown constant, we have to find the values of p. If P is negative, the line will become below x-axis. Let us draw here it is. If P is negative, I am drawing y is equal to this, P is negative. Now I can say that there are 2 points of intersection. Now coming to this point of intersection is in the 4th quadrant. The x coordinate here will become positive. You will get a positive solution. Whereas in this, you can see that it is in the 3rd quadrant. Here the value of x coordinate will become negative. You will get a negative solution. One negative solution and one positive solution. I don't want this one. According to question, I need here it is both positive roots, both positive solutions. I can say that here also if I push this above x-axis, the value of P will become positive. Still, if it is here, I am getting a negative solution. This is also not for me. I need a value of P for which you will get both positive roots. I draw a line here. Then I can say y is equal to P. It is intersecting the curve here and another point is here. Both these points are in the 1st quadrant. If it is in 1st quadrant, the x coordinate here you will get positive, x coordinate here will get positive. Hence I can say that this is acceptable line. Now the value of P lies between 2 and 9/4. I can say 2 less than P less than 9/4. Therefore I say P belongs to, that is 2 to 9/4, which is obtained in the B option.